is the Paletteful Packs for July 2025. I'm glad it came in a good amount of time this time. It's so heavy. It's about medium weight. Sounds like it's not charcoal. Let's hope. Oh, okay. What's this? Travel size paintbrush cleaner. Okay. I've had this before. I remember I spilled it last time I got it. So it's got to be colored pencils, maybe. Maybe. Oh, oil pastels. Interesting. I don't know about those. A rough bristled brush, size 6, and it's a bright. Oh, I think I had these before and I liked them. They're pencils, but and they're called oil pencils. They're not greasy or anything, but they're nice. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm going to combine all these things, so let's see. The China marker, okay, I have those. Artist tiles, oh, they're black, okay. All right. A little sticker. Oh, wait, there's something else. I guess, I don't know. I guess I'll stay on here. Maybe. Rag, cotton rag. 5 sheets. Stonehenge. Legion. 100% cotton. Okay. If I sound less than excited, it's because I think we had oil pastels not that long ago from, I don't know, from someplace. I like the little case they come in. Ooh. Kind of neat. Okay, we'll have to do a little swatch. I will swatch it on this. So let's swatch. Oh, they're nice. They're not real greasy, so they're more like crayons, I think. I think I won't mind these as much. It says oil pastels. Yeah, they're not bad. I mean, I'm sure they... Oh, look at, they almost disappear when you... Huh. But they're not excessively greasy. Oily. They're really nice, and they're really nice on this black paper. Okay, so it's not going to be so bad. I was kind of like, oh no. Because the other ones I think were super soft. I think there was Sennelier and another kind that they were just kind of, you know, doing their own thing. Okay, but the black's not going to show up that well, is it? Okay, so that's those. Yeah, I like that little case. That's cute. And these are Cretacolor Bravilier. Yeah, these are nice. They're very smooth. No, you won't be able to see this one. Or probably this one. How come there's 2 black ones? Extra soft. Soft. Oh, well, that explains it. Okay. So, let me see. So, the first one was Sanguine. These are both black, soft, and extra soft. This is Sepia Dark Oil. They're all oil. All right, white. White one seems a little bit drier. White chalk oil. Okay, well, I guess that's why. And sepia light oil. Oh, so those are nice. So, yeah, this brush cleaner, which is weird. Okay. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like oil. Oh, I see. So I think it's for paintbrushes that have paint left on them. It says to soak the brushes in it. So, okay, that's interesting. I usually wash my brushes right away. And this is a blender, colored pencil blender. I don't think I had much luck with it last time. I just remember I tipped it over and like most of it went on the desk. but it's supposed to be able to blend. Colored pencils. I don't think I did get a brush, but it's pretty large. And we'll try this one. And, well, these are the colored pencils. Yeah, they do. It does work. I don't know, maybe I wasn't using it right. Or these aren't colored pencils, these are like something different. So let's try it on the oil pastels. Does it work on those? Not really. Okay, so it doesn't work on those, but it does work on these. So you can blend it, I guess. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'm just making things up. It works on some of them. It doesn't work on the chalky one. Hard to tell if it works on the black one. It works on the brown one. Doesn't work on the oil pastels. Okay. All right, good to know. All right, so I think I will, oh, in the cotton paper. Oh, and this too. All right, so this is let's see if it works on this. It's China marker. No, doesn't work on that. Well, do you have any colored pencils? So you have these two just sitting here. These are Derwent Chroma Flow and Pro Color. These are just random ones that I got in other boxes. No, see, they don't do anything. I don't know why they say that. Because it's supposed to be a pencil blender, colored pencil blender. So, I don't know. I think it's very particular on what it works with. Maybe it works on different paper. I don't know. All right. Well, we'll do what we can. I'm going to go come up with something and I'll come back and I might end up doing two different things because I think I'd like to try to use that stuff with the blender with some of these, not these. These don't belong here. With at least the ones that it works with. And then maybe do something else like pretty simple with the oil pastels because they do seem like they're more crayon-y than oil. So, all right, so I will be back. All right, where's the picture? Okay, I used the oil pastels on the artist tiles. I really like these. I love the little case for one, but I like them because they're just easy to work with and they're not, I mean, they do leave some crumbs, but it's not a mess, you know what I mean? It's not super greasy or anything like that. So I did this flower thing. And let me see. So then, but I didn't use this on it because it didn't seem to work on it before. Even though it says oil, it didn't seem to work on it when I tested it. So then I used the cotton paper, which, I don't know, it doesn't, I don't know. I tried to use this with these because these also say oil, but they seem to work a little better with this. The paper is, I mean, you can see where it went through on the back. It did like crumble here. I was having an issue. It did blend at first, but then I couldn't work on top of it. It's like, I mean, you can a little bit, but I don't know. And I also couldn't, I was able to take a brush and like work off of the pencil itself, like put the, dip the brush in this and get the color off and use it. But once it's down, like you can see there's like marks that I wouldn't want there. I wanted to be able to blend those out and I couldn't really do that. And like I said, once this was down, it's not wet, it is still slightly damp, but it was very hard to work on top of it because it's catching right here where it's wet. So I don't know if I recommend this. I did try in the corner. This is a Prismacolor, so it did work with the Prismacolor. I think whatever, I used the Derwent pencil in the beginning, and it didn't work with it, but I think it's because there's more probably oil in the Prismacolor. So I just wanted to test that. It does work with that, but I don't know if I would use this. I'd rather just use a pencil. And if I want to blend, you know, I don't know, use these. These were good. So this paper was fine. It's thinnish, but I like these on the black. I think that looks kind of neat. Small. I like to work bigger. I like the size of this paper better, but I don't think it's great paper. Maybe it is, but it's cotton. It's supposed to be like a watercolor thing, so it should be more durable, I would think. I don't know. I'm not thrilled with it. But yeah, I mean, and I like these. These are nice. I think I would probably, I had a hard time because I had this limited palette, so I was trying to like, I don't know. I wanted some color for the eyes and some color for the lips, and I just kind of made everything this color. But yeah, I do like these. I like these. Paper's good. I probably wouldn't use it just because it's so small. And I don't know particularly like this paper. I wonder what it's like. Oh, I did at the end throw some of this onto the flower just so I could say I used it. But yeah, I mean, it works just like the oil pastels. What was I going to do? I was going to try watercolor on this. I might, I got some here. Let me grab a brush. All right, let's try watercolor on this. So let's see if the paper works any better with just water. I mean, it does work nicely with watercolor. So the paper, maybe it's just the combination. Maybe it's this stuff. I don't know. Let me see if that goes through to the other side. Now, it's definitely the paper. I think the paper is probably the issue and not this so much, because it went through. But watercolor paper doesn't take watercolor. It's really weird. Yeah, I don't like this paper at all. Let's see how they work on this. I mean, this is a little sturdier, I think, in connection with this, but it seems to blend better on this. I don't know. I don't think this stuff is all that great. Personally, I've tried it twice now and haven't really gotten much from it. This paper is better. This is Strathmore. This paper is awful. I mean, it's awful for wet media. Even though it's cotton, it should be good for watercolor, I would imagine. But anyway. All right, so that's my that's my analysis of this week. So definitely love these. The oil pencil pocket set. And these, you know, these are fun, but I don't know. They're not, they're kind of, I guess they're kind of like oil pastels. All right, so that is it, I guess, for this week. I don't know. I guess I like this one better than this. This came out just odd looking, but I was just trying to get the materials, try them out, and see what's going on. But yeah, these are really fun. And they're like kids. It says for ages 5 and up, so they are for kids, but they are nice to work with. I'm surprised. Okay, that's it for this week. And this I didn't use, but, you know, I'm sure it's good. I don't have any brushes that are in bad shape. I usually wash my brushes right away, so I don't usually have the issue with that, but I guess at some point I might. Who knows? I'll let you know. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.